Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taking you guys along on a journey with me. We are going to be cleaning the exterior of a GMC truck, as well as clay barring the entire surface of the paint, and then we're going to be doing spot polishing in certain areas. Stick around, it's going to be fun. Alright, let that allow for a little bit to pull the dirt off, and then we'll rinse it off, and then we'll re-hit it with some more soap. See this little spot? That's what you're polishing out. Alright, we just finished rinsing it, and now we're gonna hit it with a second coat of foam, and then we're gonna wash it. Alright, and that'll do it. Alright, so I need to invest into a ladder because I don't have one yet, so I just step on the tire. It's tall. You know, it could be a liability, but you just gotta be careful. I always like to do the glass first, and I go in straight lines. Then I'll hit up here with the same side, the top, because it's pretty dirty. The glass wasn't that bad. Okay. Clay mitts. These are brand new. And you want to make sure the car is lubricated, so we're going to apply a little bit of soap. And then you take this side and you just run straight lines up and down, left to right on the surface to pick up the things that the wash didn't pick up. Like there might be, if you put your hand over it like this, you might feel rough stuff. Ours is pretty good because we ceramic coated ours. And if you just saw there's a mark right there. Let me see. So let's see that. And it pulls it away. It's gone now. And that's from like just the sap sitting here for so long, and it picks it up nicely. And blue is the gentlest kind too. They have different colors that are rougher. And not everything will come up. That's why we have a polisher. See this? That mark and all these little marks. So I just lube it up just a little bit. Then I'll lube it on this. Just one spritz, and then just gently go over it. You can apply a little bit of pressure. Not a whole lot, but it just disappears. But you see how it goes away. It's just time consuming. That's the main thing. Apply a little pressure, and then you just wipe once you're done. on the polishing stage now. We just clay barred it, alcoholed the whole paint. There was a lot of sap on here. We removed most of it. There's some spots that I just want to leave because they're in, like, on the pinstripes and stuff, and I don't feel like possibly removing that stuff. But I am going to go over with an Ultra Pro finishing polish, do a 1 coat over that and see how it looks, and then we'll go from there. We're just really cleaning up the spots we marred up a little bit. It's not a full-on polish where like we're removing the swirls. It's just where the sap was and stuff like that, so it shouldn't take too long. It's a spot polish. Five little dots like that. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed going along with me on the trip. That was my first polish job ever. Even though it wasn't a complete polish, I think we did a pretty good job. I was super happy with the results, and our customer was super happy. They even left a review, but that's because I told them to. So one tip I wanted to let you guys know about is to always ask for reviews, because social proof is so important. If you haven't already, make sure to press that subscribe button and click like on this video, just so it helps the algorithm, lets other people know my videos out there in the internet world. And if you have any tips or suggestions about polishing or detailing in general, I'm all about learning, so make sure to leave those in the comments and I'll check them out. All right, guys, until next time, I'll see you later.